Dart Skill presents collecting data. The word data refers to the pieces of information that have been observed and recorded from an experiment or survey. There are two types of data. One is called the primary data, also called the raw data or the raw data, and it refers to the data that is actually collected. On the other hand, there's something called the secondary data, that refers to the primary data that has been processed. For example, the set of favorite fast food outlets in a city would be secondary data, as it summarizes the primary data. So this is the process data, and this is the one that's actually collected, actual data. There are several ways to collect data. Methods of data collection, and that can include, let's say, surveys, interviews, questionnaires, or even data from sources such as friends and family, books, journals and magazines, even the internet. Let us look at an example. The following chart shows the ratings on a scale of 1 to 5 obtained to indicate the popularity of a television show. Construct a frequency table for the data, and this is the data. So people have been asked to rate a television show on a scale of 1 to 5, and this is what they have said. Let's say 1 is the worst and 5 is the best, and 2 is bad and 4 is good, and let's say 3 is average, something like that. So we need to come up with a table the frequency table, have the ratings on one side and the frequency on the other side. So this is the rating column, and this is the frequency column. We have 5 different ratings: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you count the ones on this list, there's only one 1. So I'm going to write a 1 here. The frequency means the number of times that number occurs in this list. For 2, it's going to be, we have a 1 here and then another 1, 2, and that's all. So we have 2 2s. How about 3s? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s. How about the 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 4s. And finally the 5 ratings, the best rating. We have 1, 2 and 3 5s. The best way to check that we haven't missed out on any of these numbers is to count these numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 numbers on this set. That means 15 people were surveyed. And then the frequency, if you add up this side of the table, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So that means we haven't missed out on any of these numbers. And the table obviously is a well organized form of this piece of data. And we can clearly see that because there are more number of 3s and 4s and 5s, there are only 3 1s and 2s, this particular television show seems to be pretty popular. Only a few people have said that they do not like this particular show. That's how you organize data.